Meaning of dowel.
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 Dowel. A dowel is a cylindrical rod, usually made of wood or metal, used to join two pieces of material together. It is inserted into pre-drilled holes in the material and secured with adhesive. Dowels are commonly used in furniture making, cabinetry, and construction to provide strong, durable joints. They are often preferred over other joining methods because they are less visible and do not require screws or nails, which can detract from the appearance of the finished product. The result is a secure, long-lasting connection that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing.